Most people who invest in property stop at one. They buy one property, manage it reasonably well, collect the rent, and call themselves property investors. But one property is not a portfolio. It is a starting point. The investors who genuinely change their financial lives, who retire early, who generate passive income that replaces their salary, do not stop at one. They build systematically. They use the first property to fund the second to fund the third, and they do it with a plan. Today I am going to show you exactly how that plan works. Take a Greenpark one-bedroom apartment. You earn rental income of up to 7,100 Rand per month. Your bond repayment is 6,182 Rand. Your levy is 621 Rand, and your rates are 410 Rand. After all expenses, your monthly contribution out of pocket is as little as 785 Rand. That is not financial freedom on its own. It is a first step, but multiply that across 5 properties. Now you have 5 IGrow structured investments, each growing in value, each paying down bonds, each building equity, at a gross rental yield of up to 11.02%, as IGrow currently offers at Greenpark, and capital appreciation on top. The compounding effect over 20 years is extraordinary. That is financial freedom, and it starts with property number 1. Michael Yardney uses a simple framework for portfolio building. He calls it buy, hold, and grow. Phase 1, buy. Purchase an investment-grade property in a high-demand node. Finance it with maximum leverage. At Greenpark, with 100% bond financing arranged by IGrow, your monthly contribution starts from just 785 Rand. Meaning the tenant covers the vast majority of your costs from day 1. Phase 2, hold. Do not sell. Hold for 7 to 10 years minimum. The bond is being paid down, rental income is growing, and capital value is appreciating. Phase 3, grow. At the right point, refinance the first property to access equity as a deposit for property number 2. Repeat. When your property appreciates in value, you have more equity. Bank is willing to lend against that equity. Here is a real example using the numbers directly from the IGrow Greenpark page. Purchase price 689,900 Rand on a 100% bond. Monthly rental up to 7,100 Rand. Monthly bond repayment 6,182 Rand. Monthly contribution from just 785 Rand. After 5 years at 7% annual growth, that apartment is worth approximately 968,000 Rand. Your outstanding bond is around 633,000 Rand. That gives you approximately 141,000 Rand in equity, tax-free as a new bond, to use as the deposit on property number 2. Your tenant's rent and the market's appreciation funded your next investment without a single additional Rand of your own savings. John Sharp found that the investors who built the most wealth were not the ones who found the best deals. They were the ones who held the longest. Time in the market does 3 things simultaneously. It grows the capital value of the property, it reduces the outstanding bond balance, and it grows the rental income. On a Greenpark one-bedroom at 689,900 Rand at a conservative 6% annual growth rate, after 20 years, the property value approaches 2,212,000 Rand with a near zero bond remaining. The rental income that started at 7,100 Rand per month has grown to approximately 18,800 Rand per month. You put in 10,000 Rand as a reservation deposit. IGrow covered bond and transfer fees up to 71,520 Rand as part of your exclusive discount. Your tenant paid the bond for 20 years. You now own a 2.2 million Rand asset, generating 18,800 Rand per month in income. Greenpark Lifestyle Estate, Boksburg, Gauteng. One bedroom from 689,900 Rand, VAT included, zero transfer duty. Projected monthly rental income up to 7,100 Rand. Bond repayment 6,182 Rand. Monthly contribution from just 785 Rand. Rental assist from IGrow up to 45,000 Rand. Only 10,000 Rand to reserve your unit. IGrow's exclusive investor discount saves you up to 203,445 Rand. Rental management for 5 years valued at 64,125 Rand. Rental assist up to 67,800 Rand, and bond and transfer fees included, saving up to 71,520 Rand. Gross rental yield up to 11.02%. Units are already built, already tenanted, and already bringing in income. Gary Keller found that most financially free property investors arrived at that point with between 5 and 10 properties. Using Greenpark numbers, 5 units at current rental rates, that is 35,500 Rand per month in gross rental income. After expenses and management, approximately 25,000 Rand to 28,000 Rand per month net. After 20 years with bonds fully paid, 35,500 Rand per month in near pure income. Portfolio value at 6% growth over 20 years, approximately 11 million Rand. At Greenpark, IGrow makes this straightforward. Rental management is handled by the IGrow team, already included in your investor discount package. As you scale, you simply replicate the same structure with your IGrow investment consultant. Here is the roadmap in 6 steps. 1. Buy your first investment-grade property. Greenpark from 689,900 Rand is that starting point. 2. Structure the finance. IGrow arranges 100% bond financing and covers bond and transfer fees as part of your exclusive 203,445 Rand discount. 3. Appoint IGrow's rental management team, included, genuinely passive from day 1. 4. Hold for 7 to 10 years. 5. Refinance at year 5. Access approximately 141,000 Rand in equity and use it as the deposit for property number 2. 6. Repeat until the portfolio generates income that replaces your salary. At IGrow, we have helped over 220,000 South Africans build wealth through property. We are currently offering our incredible IGrow discounts on Greenpark, with units already built, already tenanted, and already bringing in income. Only 10,000 Rand reserves your unit. Book your free strategy session at the link in the description. Thank you for watching, like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.